Welcome back. 3:30 this afternoon. We're all going to be glued to our TV screens because the women's hockey team will be taking on Argentina in the semi-finals. They created history by making it to the stage, especially with the stellar performance against tournament favourites Australia. Here's a preview of what to expect come 3:30 this afternoon.
India, a country where cricket takes centre stage over all other sports. And yet, it is hockey that's the talk of the town right now. With the men's team losing their semi-final clash against Belgium, all eyes are now on the women's hockey team. And why not? The Indian women have pulled off one of their most memorable victories ever in Olympics history. Remember Chak De India? In the movie, Indian Eve's triumph over the Aussies against all odds. And that is exactly what happened in the quarterfinals of the Olympics. Gurjeet Kaur's solitary goal was enough as India caused the biggest upset in the tournament, beating pool toppers and three-time Olympic champions Australia. A special victory for the nation. Australia had conceded just one goal in the tournament before this game. But the Indians held on to their nerves and did not allow them to dominate. India managed to keep the Hockeyroos at bay all through the match, highlighted by the fact that they kept out 9 penalty corners from the world number 2 side. It was India's goalkeeper Savita Punia who produced saves time and again to deny the Australians. India showed a great mix of aggression and strategy throughout the game. They thwarted Australian attacks skillfully, especially in the last quarter, when Emily Chalker's side desperately looked for an equalizer. But the job is only half done. India need another victory in the semis to confirm a medal. And they'll now take on Argentina, who knocked Germany out in the first quarter-final. While Australia were the bigger fish, India can't afford to take the Argentinians lightly. They are tricky opponents, and after their poor show at the Rio Games like India, they too will be vying for glory. A tough battle awaits the Indian Eves in the last 4. But let's hope the Indian women can come through to reach their maiden Olympic final. Sports Bureau, India Today.
And Boria Majumdar gets you this report from Tokyo on what to expect from that big semi-final clash.
Rani Rampal's side has already exceeded expectations in a way, but now the hype has started. This is when they have to stay in the moment. They have to realize that the job is not fully done yet. If they can script history and, seek immortality here, all they need to do is do one more match. Play the game of their lives. Rani Rampal at one point in time for 2 square meals a day started to play hockey, and now here she is on the cusp of history. Today is her date with history along with Savita Punia, Vandana Kataria and the rest of the girls. They've done brilliantly so far against Australia, to come back against Ireland and South Africa after 3 consecutive losses. Can they do it one more time? When you turn fearless, when you have intent and you have nothing to lose, all of it can happen. And in Tokyo, Kento Momota has lost. Novak Djokovic has lost. Naomi Osaka has lost. Ash Barty has lost. So why not the Argentinians tonight? Why not the Indian girls do it one more time? I'm going to keep my fingers crossed and be at the OE Arena cheering for our girls.
Let's take this across to our reporters on the ground who are joining us from the homes of some of these hockey players. Satyajit is joining us live from Nikki Pradhan's home in Jharkhand. Also with us is Dilip Rathore, who's joining us live from Haridwar. I want to take this across first to Satyajit. Satyajit, good morning. A lot of excitement, I'm sure, in the air. Also a lot of tension. You're joining us live from Nikki's home. Tell us what's happening around you.
See, Akshita, this is a village dotted with thatched house, and this is a cool village. You can see nobody is excited since the match is scheduled in the second half at around 3 p.m. So people are busy with their daily course. But we are joined by Nikki's father. This is Hazel village, and Hazel has sought into prominence because Nikki has brought a kudos for the state and for this village and for this place. She has won laurels. The team is in semi-final. We are joined by him, his father Soma Munda, and we will speak to him. वेलकम सोमा जी। सोमा जी, ये बताइए कि कितना गर्व का बात है, कितना खुशी का बात है आज इस गांव के लिए, हालांकि कोई हलचल यहाँ नहीं दिख रही है।
हाँ, खेती बाड़ी के दिन है, इसलिए खेती तो साल भर में होता है, इसलिए गांव के जितना भी है खेती बाड़ी सब।
आज क्या उम्मीद है आप लोग को, कितना खुश हैं, कितना गौरवान्वित महसूस कर रहे हैं?
आज तो बहुत खुश हैं, पूरा गौरवान्वित महसूस कर रहे हैं।
हाँ।
और मेरा उम्मीद है कि सेमीफाइनल में जीतेगी, अब फाइनल में भी जीत की आएगी, गोल्ड मेडल लेके आएगी।
गोल्ड मेडल लेके आएगी। ये बताइए कि बात हुई बीच में निक्की से जब क्वार्टर फाइनल जीती उसके बाद?
हाँ, कल उनका मामी से बात हुई थी, हमसे नहीं होता।
उसका माँ, उनकी माँ से बात हुआ था। और कल मुख्यमंत्री ने आप लोगों को सम्मान राशि भी दिया है
जी।
तो क्या टीवी भी है यहाँ गांव में सबके पास? कैसे देखते हैं?
सबके पास तो नहीं है, गरीबी गांव है, देख रहे हैं सबके कच्ची मकान है।
हाँ।
अधिकतर कच्ची में 2-4 को भी पक्का मकान के अलावा सब खपरेला मकान, कच्ची मकान है।
हाँ।
इसलिए टीवी
बिजली का क्या स्थिति है?
बिजली भी कभी रात भर कट जाती है।
तो कैसे देखेंगे मैच अगर बिजली चली गई इस वक्त?
बिजली चली गई तो वही जिसको सुविधा है
इन्वर्टर से देखेंगे।
हाँ।
क्या कहना चाहते हैं टीम को, अपनी बेटी को, सबको कैसे शुभकामना देना चाहते हैं? जोर से बोलिए एकदम।
मेरी बेटी है, जितने भी ओलंपिक खेल में गई है, भाई बहन बेटी भी, सबको मेरा बधाई शुभकामना।
So he is extending good wishes, bouquet of compliments and good wishes to the team and to her daughter. She has brought kudos for the village and this place, and you could see that hitherto there is no excitement, but all who hails from this village and in and around this area are all set to watch the match, and their eyes will be glued on TV set once the match starts.
You know, it's remarkable, Satyajit, these reports, what it essentially tells us is the kind of stories that these girls come from, the kind of hardships, challenges they faced and yet managed to rise to this international stage, that we're talking about them being at the Tokyo Olympics and bringing glory for India. I want to quickly get in this report also from Dilip Rathore. He's joining us live from Vandana Kataria's house in Haridwar. Dilip, what's the mood there? You know, Satyajit is telling us that things are very quiet at Khunti, at Nikki's house, but what's the situation there in Haridwar?
Well, I would like to start with one line. Mahari chori kya choro se kahna. The entire village is talking like this. We met so many people in the village, and everybody is happy for Vandana. You know, that was the time when Vandana was not having not having the money for hockey stick, and she was the kabaddi player. But her coach told her that you should play because you are very fast in the ground. You should play hockey, and the coach gave her a hockey stick. We met so many people in the village, and they are very happy. They are waiting for the time when match will start. Everybody is saying that India will win this game.